Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to share a reel on Instagram story. So if you like a reel and you want to share it with people that you have on your Instagram account, you can easily share a reel on Instagram story. You wanna just open your story, and what you wanna do, guys, you just wanna search for a reel that you want to share on Instagram story. For example, I will share this reel. What you want to do, guys, you want to click this arrow, okay, at the very, you can see it in the right bottom right, you can see this arrow. As you can see here, you want to click this arrow, and after that this will pop up. Like if you want to send this reel to a specific friend, you can just select the friend here, but if you want to add it to your story, you can just select the first option. It says add reel to your story, and after that you want to click this arrow at the very bottom right. You want to click this arrow at the bottom right. You want to click this arrow at the very bottom right, and then click share, and after that you want to click done. And that's all you need to do, guys, to share a reel on Instagram story. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. If you guys want to share a reel on your own reel on your Instagram story, you can do the same steps. Just click the arrow in the right bottom right, and that's all you need to do. As you can see here, this is the reel.